Hi guys, welcome to AS Tech YouTube channel.
In this video, we are going to learn how to make all of your Facebook posts private at once. So this is easy and simple to do this. First of all, we have to open Facebook application. So let's click on it. Now you can see after clicking on your profile, you can see an option here, three dots. Click on it and then you have to click on activity log. So let's click on it. So now you can see different options here. We have to click on public post. Click on it. Now you can see all of your public posts here. If you want to make them private, you have to click all. Now you can see we have clicked all. Now click on three dots here. Now you can see option change audience. Click on it and then click on change audience. And if you want to make it public, you can do this from here. If you want to make it only for friends, so only your friends be able to see your posts. If you want to make it private, you have to click on only me. So let's click on it and then you have to click on change your all posts will be. In this way we can make all of our Facebook posts private at once. If this video helped you, please leave a thank you comment. See you guys in the next video.